Hello, I'm walking on Box Hill in Surrey, just a few miles from where Vaughan Williams grew up in Dorking, and this landscape really shaped his musical voice. There are wide views, it's lovely and still, long horizons going far off into the distance, and you can really hear this in the long flowing melodies of his atmospheric music. It just unfolds like a lovely walk through the countryside. So to understand Vaughan Williams, you really have to start with the English landscape.